Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Note: the P sensor can be removed without first detaching the display panel assembly from the base enclosure. Before you begin, remove the display cover. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Peel back the tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the P sensor board. Remove the 1.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the P sensor board to the display panel assembly. Lift the P sensor board off of its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Place the P sensor board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the P sensor board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the P sensor board onto its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the 1.5mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the P sensor board to the display panel assembly. Connect the display panel cable into its connector and replace the tape that secures it to the P sensor board.